probably in 2025 are going to have an AI that can effectively be a engineer that you have at your company that can write.
Alright, in this video, we will test AI tools that claims they can create websites with the help of URL only. For this, we have 3 levels. After each level, we will rate the AI tool on the scale of 1 to 5. We will try to recreate the homepage of Airbnb with the help of these AI. Here are 2 AI on our computer screen. The first one is lovable.dev and the second one is bolt.new. We will put the same prompt in both AI and we will also check which AI will create it first. We will match output of the homepage with the real homepage of Airbnb. Bolt already created some files and started writing code. Lovable also started making files and started writing code. The Bolt AI made it first. On the Lovable, it is working right now. We will compare both outputs side by side with the real homepage of Airbnb. Let's open it on new tab and also this one. On the right side we have official website, official homepage of Airbnb, and so far it looks pretty much similar to it, but here you can see the search bar has more height than the real one. Also, it is not responsive as the real one. Font which is used by the AI is same. The picture which is used by Lovable AI, I don't know why there is all the pictures of the animal put it here. Now let's look at the bolt.new website. Bolt.new hasn't created a search bar in this. Pictures, font size and everything looks pretty much similar to it. As you can see here, search bar, filter option, like Bolt has added filter option here, but Lovable AI doesn't added any filter option. For the first round, Bolt.new created better than Lovable.dev. It is 4 out of 5. Cloning the design was one thing. Now if the AI can add functionality to it, so we will give the instruction here. Now she wanna suck on the dick. She wanna catch all of the drip. We will try to click on all the buttons and we will check. Let's see does it work. Suppose we have clicked on apartment. Function is not working properly. Any function is not working properly which is made by lovable.dev. And now we will check bolt.new. It has made it better. Now we will check the search bar is working or not. Yeah. We can add the destination here. We can also add the check-in and check-out date here properly. At least we are able to click on that. We are able to fill the details here. Nothing is working properly, which is created by lovable.dev, but bolt.new has added some features. It is working quite good. The clone which is created by bolt.new is better than the lovable.dev. Now we will try to do it in one go. We will try to make the clone of YouTube and try to add functionalities in one go from one prompt. Bolt made it first. And keep in mind we have already told the AI to add all the functionalities to it. So we will also check that one. On the sidebar we can see there are only 5 options, but bolt.new has added some more options here which is in YouTube. Nothing is working right now. Now we have to give one instruction that when we click on the video it should play. Now when we will click on the video it should play, right? Lovable AI is using YouTube to play the video, but the bolt.new has created its own video player right now, as we can see here. So according to these 3 levels, bolt.ai gave us better output than Lovable AI. So the conclusion is, it is amazing. It can create basic things faster than humans, but it can't replace human. We can use it as a leverage to make our work easy. Just take a look